Hey guys, welcome to the Rain Maya channel. Today I have another unboxing.
Different type of flow, yeah.
Seth got the waves.
OC. Shorty all on my body, might pop me a molly, cause I know you want a dick first. Spin the block up by Louis, might clap it some Gucci, cause I know you want a big Burke. I'm on the low, she said she really wanna take it slow.
So I would just combine all of these and make it one video, but I don't know when the packages are coming in. That's why I keep uploading videos. That's basically the same thing. But I actually decided to get cute for you guys today because I've been coming on here looking a hot mess, and I want y'all to have something decent to actually look at. You feel me? So, I'm weak. I hope y'all can appreciate it. These are not my lashes, but these are just some lashes that I'm testing out. So I think that they're really pretty. I like these a lot. This is not my lip gloss. This is... Hold on, I'm gonna just show y'all. This is the NYX Butter Gloss. It's just a light little layer. I didn't put too much. What is this called? Tiramisu? Okay. Okay. I will put it on the screen. I don't know what I'm saying right now, so yeah. And then I just put, you know, the OG over it, so it looks cute. It's popping. Pink and pink go together. All right. But I'm gonna be sipping on this tea while I do this. It's green tea. I'm trying to lose weight. So let's open. What should I open first? Because I know this from, okay, I'm opening this last. Let's open the Amazon package first. This, okay, so this is actually the package that was supposed to come on the 24th, and it came early, so I'm like, okay. But y'all, we about to see. Okay, so Vivaplex. Okay, I know what this is. Y'all. Okay, so a lot of you guys have been commenting under my videos for those pink containers, do sample lip glosses. I can't do sample lip glosses for those containers because it doesn't actually have like the lip gloss part where you squeeze it out. It's more of like a lotion container, if that makes sense. I would take it out, but I don't want to contaminate it because they are clean and everything. But to answer you guys' wants and needs, so I will be including samples in every package. I'm going to clean these, of course. Y'all know I clean everything. I'm not going to give y'all something just because I think that it's clean. I'm going to clean it myself. But these are the containers that everybody started selling their lip scrubs in, and we're not even going to talk about that, but these are what you guys are going to get samples in, especially lip glosses. I could do sample lip scrubs, but like I said, it's going to be a sample. Like, you cannot buy an actual product in this size. It just don't make sense. So these are going to be for samples. I think I have 50 of them. Let me look on the outside. Yeah, and I love this company, y'all. Y'all should check out this company on Amazon. It's called Vivaplex. And they got a lot of containers and stuff like that. Next, what I really be waiting on. These keychains, y'all. This is what I needed. I'm still not going to tell y'all what they're for. I mean, y'all could probably guess what they're for already, but just know I'm switching it up. So y'all, this is cute. This is real cute, but I just got, let me see, 36. I got 36 altogether. Okay, this next package is from TKB Trading. I ordered all this stuff on the 26th of March and it came on the 4th of April. So it did take extra long to come, but I'm so glad that I ordered what I ordered, because I'm not gonna have to order that, you know, that soon again. And plus, I think that they raised their prices. I keep hearing that. I didn't check myself personally, just because, you know, I got what I ordered. We're about to see what's in here. Packing slip. Y'all know what that is. Y'all know what that is. Y'all. Y'all. I told y'all I was not playing with TKB Trading. I told y'all this. And when I told y'all, y'all should have took my advice, took me serious, and y'all should have not played either. So whoever took my advice and didn't play, you did your thing, girl, because they violating right now. They're violating. Yay, they went back to their old packaging. Okay. Y'all. Ooh. Wait a minute now. Y'all, this is not a sticker no more. It's a full-on, like, this is printed on here. Okay, TKB. Everybody want to come up. Let me show y'all everything. I got 10 of these lip gloss bases. Yeah. I know before y'all thought I was crazy, but now, I mean, like, they playing too much, you feel me? So I cannot sit there and, no, absolutely not. Okay, let me count to make sure. I got 10 5.5 ounce lip gloss base bags. So I'm going to count them. 2, 3, 4, 5. Other hand. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I need a thumbnail, y'all, but let's see if I can even hold over these. Let's see. Because I need a thumbnail. And I need it now. Y'all, I didn't run out of lip gloss base. I still have some of the base that I ordered like last time. But like I said, I'm not playing with them and I don't have time to like be out of stock, because come on now, if you know that a company is playing and they're wilding out, I suggest you order ahead of time before you even need to restock. Like, on some real stuff, y'all, it's smart, because the way that this company is moving, you're really unsure of what's going to happen with them, what they're really doing, stuff like that. Besides the bases, which is why it took, ooh, this is pretty, which is why it took so long, according to a whole bunch of other people that I was watching. What is this? Oh. Yo. Let me make sure they got this right. Alright, y'all, so I got everything right this time. They didn't mess with me like they did last time. So I'm gonna show y'all the colors that I got. I got Fairy Violet. Dang, I hate when the camera don't do it justice. I don't know if y'all can see, but it's like giving off a little bit of purple in here. I got Aqua Sparks. This one is just like the blue version. I got Bronze Reflex. I think I'm gonna love this. But to be honest, y'all, I think I already have a pigment like this. So I really think I should have never bought this. But at the end of the day, it's here. It's here, so we're gonna use it. And then I got the Adam and Eve glitter, which this one, do y'all see that? Y'all see that? That's beautiful. That's beautiful. period. Thank you guys for tuning into this video. Y'all gonna see me in the next video wearing the same outfit because I'm gonna be making lip glosses and I don't feel like it's a need to change the outfit. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you do all three of those things, then you're officially part of the game, period. I appreciate all you guys' support, all you guys' love, and yeah, talk to you later.
Met a baddie, she be low-key. She asked me what's my name and I'm like, Jose. I shoot my shot just like I'm Kobe. She said, hold on, wait a minute.